Hey there, pilots. This is Pete with BananaHobby.com. I want to thank you for joining me for this super fun flight review of the long-awaited for and anticipated the twin 70mm F22 Raptor. This is available at BananaHobby.com. This is working in conjunction with LX Models and Blitz RC Works here in the US. This is just another monster of an EDF that we're able to bring to you on the market now. The absolute scale appearance and the control surfaces and everything that's intricate that goes into this F22 is absolutely amazing. Flight character, absolutely gorgeous. She flies on a 6S 4000 milliamp lithium polymer pack, and it's powered by twin 50 amp brushless ESCs with a 5 amp external BEC. These are twin 70mm EDF units powered by twin 2100 kV brushless outrunners. Gives it just a ton of power. Full house running here. We got rudders, we have flaps, and leading edge slats as well, and just a really nice retract system. I'm going to go ahead and just plug her in here and give you guys a rundown of what it looks like with the surfaces and the thrust vectoring as well. This is a 180-degree thrust vectoring on the back slats here, which is just a gorgeous setup. All right, let's get this thing over here. Okay, so right now we got your elevators here and your ailerons, and these are your flaps and leading edge slats. Nice and slow. It's really nice here. This is going to be available, it's already available as your plug and play, so you can use your own transmitter or receiver and get it ready to fly. It's kind of up to you guys. I'm going to go ahead and turn her up here and show you guys a retract. Grab my transmitter here. Check it out. Look at that slow retract action on that rotary retract system. Nowhere else can you find this. And fully closable gear doors. That is what I call a streamlined EDF jet. Look at this monster jet here. While we're at it here, I want to show you guys, these right here are the smoke systems, and these are electronically detonated, which there's a PCB board in here that detonates a smoke unit on an external switch. So it's basically refillable. You got to buy the bombs again, and it's plugged in right here through this little port here, and you guys got aerial smoke, which is really awesome. How much cooler can you get than that? Let's go ahead and put the gears back down. Boom! Check that out, and here comes the gears. They lock down in the down position, nice and tight. No more strip servos, nothing like that. Look at the reliability of that. I'll show you guys the rear thrust vectoring. It's 180 degrees, so these slats here will go up and down, as you can see here. And they move in conjunction with the elevator and the ailerons. You can opt to fly this on a 5-channel if you wanted to, or a 6-channel as long as you want to use the retracts, and you have optional smoke as well. All right, we got a little bit of a cloud cover here. We're going to go ahead and call this a wrap and get this F22 in the air for you guys and let you guys see what the F22 Raptor available at BananaHobby.com can do. My name is Pete. Thanks again for joining me. We'll see you guys in the air.